Go.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. This is my case from Grandma and Grandpa's candy.
Yeah, I think it's. I'm wondering what mine's gonna be.
And I'm gonna open this after I talk, so I'm done talking. Rainbow.
Wow, thanks a lot.
Oh, man! Chad, look!
Oh,
Yay! I'm gonna have this for a while. Just like the last time.
Good. The Easter Bunny didn't give you any peeps. Is there anything in there? What is it?
Okay.
Oh.
We both got dollars, Chad.
And cute. Wow. Grandma finds some cool stuff.
And that's about it.
Oh, I got these too. And
I got a ducky
Nerds
and you
or
got a bunny.
100.
Hey, look.
Pieces
When you don't want it to spill,
It's a pliers.
there's a lid.
Oh.
When you don't want it to spill.
Good. This
Quack,
is a
quack, quack,
Laffy Taffy
quack.
Fun Book. See how it works?
What's in here?
I thought it was
You have to edit
nerds.
that out.
Ugh.
Laffy Taffy, nerds, all sorts of things.
A maze.
And then the candy stuck inside. Want me to open it?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There, look, Chad. See all the candies inside.
Yeah.
And then you open it up and you've got a maze and fun things to do.
Oh my. Look, there's different kinds.
Ooh, kinds you've never had before. Here you go, Chad.
Some that I have had before. Grandma, I love these. More nerds.
Grandma and Grandpa sure know what you want.
Happy.
Peeps are my favorite.
Wow.
Whoa.
Man, we really made out.
Boy, huh? What is this?
It says, find the matching flowers.
Okay, I'm going to end this. What do we say?
On 1, 2, 3, say the big, you know what? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
And happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay, you can have one candy.
I'm choosing.
It's a lot to choose from. What are you going to choose?
The goldfish.
The goldfish. All
Healthy.
right. A healthy choice.
So I'm gonna eat it all.
Let me guess. No.
What are you going to choose, Chad? Look at all those peeps.
I'd take a peep. They're my favorite.
You're going to eat a peep.
Yep.